What's going on YouTube? Back to another video. If your day is not going good, I hope tomorrow is better. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button and notification bell. If you already subscribed, thank you for your loyalty. Man, real quick, I'm currently editing a video that I recorded yesterday. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video before, but regardless of the fact, thank y'all so much for 1,000 subs, because I also thank y'all in that video. But I don't care, I can thank y'all in 2 videos, because we've been growing a lot recently, probably because I've been uploading more. But thank y'all so much for 1,000 subscribers, it definitely means a lot. We're at, I think the current live count right now is like 1,007, 1,008, somewhere around there. I appreciate it. All the love on Instagram, all the love everywhere, bro, I appreciate it. And we definitely be doing a lot more one question Q&As coming up. I just have to get settled in here and everything. I don't want to hold y'all up for too long, bro. Honestly, if you want to skip this part and go right to the video, here's a timestamp. Go ahead, do it. I don't even mind. Anyways, but in this video, we're going to be doing something a little different. Something I've always wanted to do, but I just never did it. I mean, I've always used footage like this for B-roll sake, but I've never done it as its own video. So we're gonna be doing a POV video. Oh man, that's crazy. I have a basketball game in about a couple hours. I'm gonna go out to that game. We just going, go ahead, take some photos. I'm gonna have a GoPro on. I don't really talk much at games, I'm not gonna lie, because it's just gonna seem like I'm talking to myself. That's a little weird. I'm probably just gonna put music in the background for y'all and, you know, the sounds of the shutter, the basketball game, and we just, you know, let y'all vibe out. It's not gonna be a long video, because I don't wanna make a long video and y'all end up not liking it. But if y'all do enjoy these, I may make longer ones. Y'all want me to talk to y'all more and commentate throughout the game and stuff like that. I can do that as well. Just let me know what y'all like. We're gonna see though. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and we'll get going. Let's go. I'm here. Oh yeah, definitely. so that's the video. Let me know what y'all think about this video down in the comment section below. Let me know if y'all would like me to do more POV photography. I could definitely do it for football games. Now, football games, I will 100% talk more because I won't feel awkward. Basketball games are a little too personal. The players will actually see me talking to myself. That's kind of like a little weird. Football games is a huge field. Ain't nobody paying attention to me. You know what I'm saying? So I can definitely commentate myself throughout a whole football game. Football season definitely is coming up right now, so let me know if y'all would like to see those. If y'all want to see more basketball content, let me know. If anything you want me to do different in these videos, let me know. Once again, thank you guys for all the support in the recent videos. Thank you guys for everything, honestly. In the next video that y'all see, the poster and everything will be up. Things will be a lot more nicer in here. It's just I had to get this video off y'all. I didn't want to postpone it any longer. So I'm not gonna lie, I've been so busy. I haven't even got time to do that. I got my setup up and that was it. That's it. It's still a whole desk behind y'all that needs to be put together. A whole lot. We ain't gonna talk about it though. Y'all don't see that. So as long as this look decent. But yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out the merch link in the description down below. I don't even know where my mug is at. Check out the merch link in the description down below. Don't forget to stay creative. See you next one. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. We out. We out.